Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. To understand the concept clearly, please watch the video till the end. Today I'm gonna show you how you can split a text in multiple parts. Let's say in Excel you have been given a list of employees like this. Now you have been asked to split first name, middle name and last name. I believe that you already know how to do this thing in Excel. Simple, just copy this, come over here, right click and paste. Now to split this thing, simple, you will go to the data tab, text to column, and you have to click this button, then next, and you need to provide a delimiter basis on which you have to split this thing. So what delimiter you see, this is underscore, but not that underscore is not available over here, but we have an option called other. So we'll just check it and we provide underscore over here. As you can see, that word has been split into three parts. Now you can just click finish, and here you see that the first name is available in first name column, and similarly for middle name and last name. Now our topic is how we can do this thing in SAS. Let's go to the SAS. Here we have SAS and the same name list we have available over here. Now we have to split this thing in first name, middle name and in last name. How we gonna do that? We have a function called scan. Scan function takes three arguments. Number one, the character, which will be variable. Variable name is name. Second thing, it takes the count, which count you want to split. Third part, it asks for modifier. Modifier is delimiter, which was in Excel, which was underscore. Now let's go ahead and execute this thing. So we have the data available over here. Table name is name list, which is under mylib library. So we will just create a sample data set. Data test, then set, and we have our data in mylib, and our table name is name list. Here comes first column we need is first name, then we will type the function scan. Then it asks, we need to provide the variable name, the character variable name, which is name in our case. Then it asks which part you want. For now we gonna just keep this blank. Alright, we are not giving anything over here. Then we need to provide modifier. Then you need to notice one thing, modifier you would have to provide in inverted comma. So I am just putting inverted comma and then underscore. If you noticed, underscore was the delimiter over here, which will be modifier over here. So if you see, there are three words which have been separated by this delimiter, right? Then which word we need in first name? The first word. Then here we will write first and we'll put the semicolon. Same thing we need to do for second name or maybe middle name. Name, then here we are going to extract the second name and put the same delimiter over here. Then the last name. Scan name, we need to extract the third word over here, and then we can just put underscore over here and simply run this thing. I'll just make this letter capital. Now we will come over here and just hit run button. Here we go. Now you can see that all the 3 words have been separated in 3 separate columns. Now one more thing I would like you to mention over here. Suppose let's create another data set. T2 set mylib dot name list. Now suppose you have been asked to just separate the last name. What are you gonna do? You have an option, yeah, you get it right. You can just type last name and then scan and then variable name, then 3 because you need a third letter, and then you need to provide the delimiter. Alright, this is gonna work 100%. This will work, but can there be another way? Yes, there can be another way. We instead of providing the third, we can simply type -1. We can simply type -1 because -1 refers to the last word. Similarly, if we need second last, then you can put -2, third last -3. Similarly, it will go ahead, right? Now let's run this part. Come over here, hit this button and see. Can see this last name is extracted over here. So this was the scan function, which helps us in splitting a text in multiple parts basis on a modifier. Thank you very much for watching the video. Please do not forget to like, comment and subscribe the channel. If you have already subscribed, please do not forget to press the bell icon so that you get all the notifications on time. Thank you very much. Once again, wish you good luck.